Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Vinted Easy Guide. Create your account, verify email, choose a clear profile photo, and set your location and currency preferences. Next, add listings with good photos, honest descriptions, and clear prices. Turn on shipping options, link payment methods, and set notification preferences. Double-check items for accuracy before publishing to attract buyers quickly and safely. Respond promptly to messages to build trust and positive reviews. Start by photographing your item from every angle, using natural light and a plain background. Write a concise title and honest description mentioning brand, size, condition, and flaws. Set a competitive price, consider shipping costs, and choose immediate purchase or offers. Add tags and select appropriate category to improve discoverability. Preview the listing, edit if needed, then publish and share it to social media or Vinted community for visibility. Monitor views and adjust price after a few days. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. Also check out the comfy socks featured here. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for all those long packing and shipping days. Look in the description for that link and other deals I mentioned. Now let's get back to the video. Pack sold items securely with protective materials and compact packaging to reduce shipping costs. Choose tracked shipping to provide proof of delivery and share tracking with buyers immediately. Ensure high-value items and follow platform guidelines for disputes and returns. Maintain polite communication, keep records of conversations and transactions, and never disclose unnecessary personal information. Promptly mark items as shipped and confirm delivery to encourage positive feedback and repeat buyers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.